Good morning, student. I am Devin Singh Jata. Today, we will discuss about our textbooks, Mathematics textbook, chapter 1st of class 6th, knowing our numbers. So, the first question arises here is that what is the purpose of numbers? So very simple answer is that we need a numbers to counting of things, comparison the quantities, and also measuring the quantities like weight, mass, temperature, height, distance, etc. So this is the basic purpose of numbers. So in this chapter we will discuss some new numbers and some operation related to numbers. So before going to in the chapter, first we discuss about types of number. First we discuss about types of number. In previous class you have studied about some number like first natural number. The very easy definition is a natural number. A natural number is start with 1 and go on and never ending, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ... up to n. Natural number start with 1 and never ending. So that is the definition of natural number. Second is whole number. So you should add 0 before natural number, you get whole number. So simple definition is that the whole number is start with 0 or never ending. Example: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to n तक. Now yes, I think you should understand natural number or whole number. Now if we divide natural number in two things, natural number in two types, that is odd and even, or we can also divide whole number in this section. So now we discuss about what is odd number. odd number. So odd number, the definition is that the number which is ending or unit digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That number is belongs to category of odd number. Example, here 13, 213, 4179, 67835. Here you can observe that here unit digit is your last digit 3, here 3, 9, 5. As I already mentioned above that the number which is ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, that number belongs to category of odd number. So that it is a very easy method to identify a odd number. Now even number, the simple definition, the number which is ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is belongs to even number category, or unit digit is 0, 2 is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Example, (14), 3, 4, 8, 3, 5, 8, 9, 7, 0, 1, 2, 2. Here you observe that here is 4, 8, 0 or 2. In this number, I already mentioned in the definition, the number which is ending with or unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are number called odd number. Now prime number. So the definition of prime number is that the number only divisible by 1 and itself is called prime number. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Here all the prime number belongs to odd number. All the prime number belongs to odd numbers. Only 2 is the only even prime number, or 2 is also a smallest prime number. Here you observe that 2 is only divisible by 1 and 2, 3 is divisible by 1 and 3, 5 1 and 5, 7 1 and 7, 11 1 and 11, 13 1 and 13, 17 1 and 17, 19 1 and 19. So the simple definition is that prime number, a number is divisible by only 1 and itself, is called prime number. So I think you got it. Now so these are some types of number. Other types of number we discuss later on. Now come to our textbook. So first thing is that comparing a numbers. Comparing a numbers. Comparing a numbers. So what is the meaning of comparing? Comparing means two correlate with each other, and in what way the other is different from other number. Yeah, other things like which one, like length, width. These are the comparison quantities. Now you also think that the perfect example is which one is lighter or greater, heavier, lengthier. These are the. So now the first comparison the number of greatest or lowest, or we also can say smallest. So here are some numbers. Now we identify which one is greater or smallest number. Now here are some number. Okay, now you can see here are some numbers I wrote. So first question arises here: how to identify a number which is greater or smallest? So first you have to count the digits of number. Here 1 2 3, yes, 1 2, here 2 digit, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4. So the better way of identify a number, greatest or smallest, you just count the digits. First step of finding the greatest or smallest number. Yes, so first we counting that here a number is having 4 digit. So greater a number having a larger digit, so obviously the number is largest number or greatest number. So greatest number is 8345. Now here 2 digit number 56, so smallest number is 56. Now another example we take now we take an example having a same number of digit like 7 3 4 6 5 6 0 7 4 3 7 4 5 9 8 7. Okay, so you can see here are four numbers. First is 7 3 4 5 6 0 7 4 5 9 8 7. So in this number, all these three digits number. So now question arise here, how can I identify this number? So better way, you just first notice their first digit. So here first digit 7, here 5, here 7, here 9. So you can easily go see that 9 is greatest digit. So 987 is greatest number, or 5 is smallest digit. So 5600 is smallest number. Okay, this is the second kind of case. Now third type is that let first digit is same, all the first second digit are same. So how can we identify a number? Now let me take an example. 7 6 1 7 5 1 7 5 2 7 6 6. Now you see here 7 here, 7 here, 7 here. Now if first digit are same, first digit is same, so we take a second digit right now. Here 6, here 5, here 5, here 6. So 5 or 6. So it is quite difficult to identify which one is small or greatest. Now we go through on third digit. Here 5. In 5, because 6 is greater than 5, so first we find a smallest number. Here is 5, here is 5, here is 1, here is 2. So 1 is smaller than 2. So smallest digit is 7 5 1. Now we identify which one is greatest digit number. So here 7 6 1 7 6 6. So 6 is greater than 1. So greatest number is 766. Okay, I think you got it. If you not understand anything, you can ask me on our WhatsApp group. Now yes, so I think you easily understand that how to identify a greatest number or lowest number. Now your homework is that you should, or class work, here I am write some numbers to identify which one is greatest number or smallest number. You just write down. Yes, 7. Third one is okay. These are 4 question for you. You just find out find out which is greatest or smallest number. Okay, now so today we discussed only these things, so you have to learn and do homework at your, and if you not understand anything, you just ask me in our WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.